I absolutely love these dragon necklaces that comes in different colors and they're so elegant to wear. And these necklaces, they're safe to use. They have multi-layer chain necklace made out of alloy and rhinestone. They're very reliable, very sturdy and comfortable, lightweight and also portable. They don't easily break and it's not like a burden on your neck. So you're going to enjoy it for such a long time. These necklaces come in a length whereby the enamel dragonfly necklace is 44 centimeters, which is about 17.32 inches, and the extended chain is 4.3 centimeters and or 1.7 inches. And the pendulum, it's really beautiful. They're really suitable and adjustable, and I absolutely love this. Look how elegant they look, and they're one in a lifetime experience of owning this. I absolutely love them. I get good compliments when I wear them, and I know for sure everyone that tries it will do too.